Hey everyone, welcome to Autopy. In today's video, we are going to see how we can automatically extract the data of money.com into Google Sheet without using a code but with the help of Autopy. Like whenever I'm going to add a new data is going to reflect here. Let's test it. Just add the new task, research for REC, research for automation, research for invoice automation, or maybe I can say, yeah, dispute automation. Then the status I'm going to give it uh, not started yet. I'm going to research it for 3 days from today itself to 21. Yeah, 3 days. And the priority I'm going to give it a low and medium. I can take it medium. Okay. Now all the data which will be updated here is going to update here within a minute. Let's wait for a minute. Now the time is 43 and just refresh it. Wait for a minute. Yeah. Now you can see the data is co- fetch here. Research of dispute automation. Status not started yet. Duration it will be take 3 days. Timeline between 19 to 21 and priority list is medium. Now, uh, the question might, so the question might be arise why we are using this automation? What is the purpose of doing this automation? Let's assume that you are going to manage all the data, all the tasks in the monday.com for your project management where it will show the status, timeline and priority and itself. Only limited person or teammates have the access. Not everyone in the team or the company may have access to your monday.com like client, finance team or external partner. So in this scenario, Google Sheet make it easy to share the real-time update with anyone. To make this happen, we are going to use AutoAPI. AutoAPI, no-code platform where you can build a powerful automated workflow without writing a single line of code, helping you simplify the task, speed up the operations, and grow your business effortlessly. Now, let me just show you how you can build this automation. Let's. This is a landing page of AutoAPI where you can find multiple sections. If you notice, if you explore this section where you can find a multiple list of application, so you can use this application while creating your workflow. If you scroll down, you can find there is a multiple templates also available which can be ready to use to boost your businesses. And then here you can find a pricing plan section where you can find there is three pricing plan: a starter plan, essential or professional. Notice we provide 3000 tasks every month when you are signing up freely. So let's create the workflow. Yeah, and the workflow I'm going to name it as monday.com to sheet and save it. Okay, now you can see a list of trigger application is appeared here. I'm going to use monday.com as my trigger application and new item in a board as my trigger action. Now the question might be arise, what is a trigger application and why we are using the trigger application? Trigger application is nothing but just to satisfy if condition and perform the action. In our case, if the update is happen, it will be directly reflect to if any update happen in our monday.com sheet, it will be directly updated in our auto app sheet. So to set the trigger application, we have to first set the webhook URL. Here are the steps which can be used to set the webhook URL. Just copy the webhook URL and go to your monday.com table. I'm going to use this table. Just go for the integration and search for the webhook. Yeah, webhook. Open it. And now I'm going to use when an item is created, send a webhook. This template. Use this template and paste your webhook URL here. Before before clicking the connect, make sure you are start capturing the data for the challenge code and now connect. Basically, money.com send a challenge code so that it can connect. Our connection is built, create automation, and we can check the status. Our challenge is accepted. Yeah, we got our challenge ID. So it means our webhook is set up successfully. Now, what it's mean? It's basically mean whatever the data we are passing from here is going to capture here in our application. To test that, I'm going to recapture the sample data and add as a research for AI automation. I'm going to, I am not started yet. Now I'm going to take its status and work on it. Uh, it will be take from today to 21 itself. Yeah, and I'm going to priority list as medium. Check the status, hide sample data and show sample data. Now you can see our research for AI automation is appeared here, but but only for these tasks is appear, not every what changes is appeared. Now you can see our data is only captured the research for AI automation. It did not capture the whole status, duration, priority list, and timeline. Because as soon as we add the task, it will be captured, and and it will be not able to capture everything. For that, we have to add the delay to take some time to start the workflow. To make this happen, we are going to add delay, which is time delay, auto happy time delay. It is auto happy custom module where you can use to delay the task for a minute. I'm going to use it to delay for a minute, and it will take 1 minute to fill the all the form and submit it. Test this application, hide and show sample data. Yeah, delay completed. So we successfully add the delay. Now I'm going to add the action module where I'm going to collect all the data which will be submitted here using monday.com again, and this time I'm going to use the endpoint for the get an item. Yeah, this is the endpoint. Add a task. Okay, the main purpose to use this endpoint so that it can gather all the item which is available here and we can use it. For that, I have to create a new connection. Now you can see it is demanding a API key, and here is the steps how we can get the API key. Now go for your monday.com dashboard, go for the profile, and inside the developer you got my access token where you can get your API key. Just copy your API key and paste here. Establish the connection. Yeah, our connection build up successfully. Now it is demanding the board ID. So our board ID name is AutoAppy. So let's go and check the AutoAppy. Yeah, this one. This is the AutoAppy and the team ID. Now I want the update. I want the team ID. Like whenever someone submit the data, I want the data updated. So just click the map data and you can see the plus icon. Let me introduce what is the plus icon mean for. It is simply a mapper where we can use to receive data from the previous module into our current module so that we can use it for the workflows. Just go for add for work from monday.com. You can find a pulse ID. Yeah, this one, pulse ID, and confirm it. Now just check all the data they are submitting is yeah, our data saved successfully. Take this application. Yeah, task executed successfully and all the data working on it. You can see our all data is captured here. Now we are going to simply add the data into our Google Sheet. Just search for a Google Sheet and there is a multiple endpoints available we can use for copy the worksheet, clear the spreadsheet row. For our case, I'm going to use insert a row in a Google Sheet. Add a task. Okay, I'm going to use create a new connection and connect with Google. Now they're asking me to select the account. I'm going to use this account. Yes, there are okay. It is asking me to permission. I'm going to use as a continue. Save the connection. Yeah, our connection is built up successfully. Now they are asking us Google Sheet ID. Google Sheet ID you can simply find from here. This is a sheet which I want to use, and after this slash till edit, this is my Google Sheet ID. I'm going to use it and paste here. So I paste my Google Sheet ID successfully. Now they are going to ask me which sheet I want to use. You can see there is a multiple sheets available. I want to use Monday to sheet, and yeah, Monday to sheet is available. I'm going to select this one. Now you can see all the all the columns: task status, duration, timeline, priority is submitted here. Task status, duration, timeline, priority. So we can map our data into this field. Just going to add the task. For me, it is for me it is research for an automation. I'm going to use research for an automation. Confirm it. Status. My status is working on it. Okay, I can go for it, money.com, and search for working on it. Correct. Confirm it. The duration should be take 3 days. I'm going to add the duration 3 days. So there is a 3 days of duration. I'm going to see 3 days, correct, and confirm it. Timeline. Uh, I'm going to use map the timeline. Just search for the timeline. Yeah, this one, and select the timeline. Confirm it. Priority list. For my project, the priority list is medium. I can search for the medium priority list with the name of medium. Yeah, got it and confirm it. Now submit the data and we can test this application. Okay, our application is working, but the timeline is not match. Maybe I select the wrong timeline. Just s- do it again. Timeline and confirm it. Submit. Test this application. Okay, it will take some time. We have to give the another data. And I'm going to high. It will be take 1 minute to complete the timeline. Just refresh it. You can see our date is appeared here. Now we can add another task and check our automation workflow is working correctly. Just add the DSEARCS search for the Telegram automation, and I am done no, not done. The status is like working on it from today to Sunday. I'm going to do it, and it will be low in the priority list. Now within a minute it will be going to come. It will take 1 minute because we already give the 1 minute delay. So let's check. Okay, so so you can see research for Telegram is appeared here with the status, with duration and the timeline for between 19 to 22, and our priority also appeared here. Now, okay, cool. So this is a perfect setup for the Monday.com to Google Sheet, and you can use this setup for okay, okay. This is a setup we can use for Monday.com. This is an automated workflow. We okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is a perfect automation workflow from where we can extract money.com data into our Google Sheet with the help of AutoAPI. That's how we can use this automation. Uh, any the data we are going to update is complete. It's going the whole data is going to capture into our sheet. Now that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget, AutoAPI give the 3000 free tasks in every sign in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And you can visit at our site autoapp.com, where you can create multiple workflows, and where you can, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And you can visit at our site, which is autoapp.com. If you have any question or idea, drop it in the comment and we will set automation for you. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.